I'd like to show you all the parts of the Angle Pro Sharpener. Its modular design makes it very easy to take apart and very simple to be able to replace any of its pieces whenever they wear out. First thing I'd like to show you is the most important piece, which is the angle gauge. It slides right out. Then we have the cover for the wheels. These are your ceramic wheels. The wheels also come out, and as you can see, they are color coordinated. And they come out just like this. And then the trays, which are also color coordinated, come out just like this. And then we have the cover for the diamond coated wheels. Wheels come out just like that, as well as the trays. And now we have the cartridge for the tungsten rods. All you do is push and lift, and it comes out just like that. And then all that remains is the base of the sharpener. And that's how you take apart the Angle Pro Sharpener. Now to put it back together, there you have it.